Hey guys, we're on the Kraken right now. Let's see how it turns out.
Oh my god, I feel my feet are going. Oh my god. Oh my god.
So this is a new roller coaster for us. We haven't tried any of these yet. Me and Morgan will be back tomorrow, but him and Marley are sitting out. We'll see if we can get them on the screen as we're going down. But this is the Kraken roller coaster. You can see these guys over here on the other one there. And sorry, I got limited mobility with my wrist, with the wrist mount. So if you guys are coming here, you're gonna need a chest or a wrist mount.
Not in my head like moving my head like oh wait.
And we're heading up the big hill, almost ready to start the craziness. Once again, never rode one of these guys, so this is all new to me. Woo!
Oh my god.
Holy moly! Oh yeah! Holy moly! Woo! See how this thing comes out.
Please remain seated until the inside the station. Unfasten your seatbelt and wait for instructions from the...
I apologize if I ruined it because of my feet. I could not lower my feet.